What's so significant about Dhul Hijjah? The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, and I want you to really listen to this, ikhwani fillah. Our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Afdalu ayyami dunya ayyam al-ashr." The greatest days in the world are these 10 days. The 10 days of Dhul Hijjah, starting from the 1st up to the day of Eid, which is on the 10th. These are the greatest days in the year. What does that mean for you and I? It means that every single good deed that you do in these 10 days has more reward, is more beloved to Allah, and has more virtue. The salah that you pray today has more virtue and more fadl than the salah you were praying last week. Why is this one better? Because it's happening in a time that is better. Just like when you are in Masjid al-Aqsa, or you are in the Haram, or you are in the Prophet's mosque, your salah is better according to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It has more virtue, more fadl. The same goes for different times. Just like in Ramadan, when you read Qur'an and you do dhikr, it has more fadl, more virtue. The same applies here. And just like in Ramadan, just like when you go to Hajj and you're at the Haram, you act differently, you think differently, you do more ibadah, you're in tune, you're aware the same thing should be happening right now.